This is AQA A-Level Chemistry. It's a multiple choice question on the topic of Group 7. So pause, have a go, and then review. So we want to know which of these statements is not correct. There are 3 statements that are true and 1 that's false. And let's take a look through some of them. We're going to start at the bottom. We've got D, chlorine can react with water to produce chloride ions and chlorate ions. Now that is true, and it's one of the equations that you are going to need to be familiar with. If I take H2O and Cl2, I make HCl and HOCl, which fits with what it says. Should of course be reversible there. If we then move on to C, chlorine can be added to drinking water to kill bacteria. Absolutely. We think about it in swimming pools, but in smaller doses, it does go into drinking water too. Moving up, chlorine can react with water to produce chloride ions and oxygen. This is also an alternative reaction between water and chlorine, whereby we can make hydrochloric acid and oxygen. That tends to happen in the presence of UV light, which is why in open air swimming pools, for example, you need to constantly top up the chlorine much more often. So that leaves us with the first one. Chlorine can react with water to form an alkaline solution. Well, actually, D has shown us we're making something that's acidic, not alkali. So the correct answer for being an incorrect statement is A.